Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Lam.
When's your birthday?
My birthday is in November.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 1234567 and
What sports do you do?
I play volleyball.
How often do you do them?
Mm, um, I have fun time with
Name three benefits of playing sports.
mm, uh, this make my body strong. Uh, this the relaxing. This um, uh, this um, in my field.
What do you often do in the morning before going to school? What do you do in the morning before going to school?
Uh, I wake up. Uh, I brush my teeth. Uh, I have breakfast.
Mhm. How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
I went to school by my motorbike.
Do you have lunch at the school canteen or at home?
Uh, I eat lunch at home.
What do you often do to relax after school? What do you do to relax after school?
Uh, I I I play game and play the guitar.
Mhm. What kind of music do you like?
Uh,
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop.
Do you prefer listening to music at home or going to concerts? Why?
I prefer listen to music at home. Because it's like relaxing.
What musical instruments would you like to learn? What musical instruments would you like to learn? Okay, it's okay. Next part, can you please describe each picture? Okay, picture one.
Uh, I can see a lot of people uh, and someone uh, uh, and flower um, uh,
Mhm.
and a lot um,
Okay, next picture. Can you please tell me what can you see in this picture?
I can see uh, cake uh, and something and a lot of people and a lot of lot apple.
Okay. How are they similar?
Um,
How are they similar? Okay, how are they different? Okay, it's okay. Next question. I want you to talk about the party that you enjoy.
I party. Um,
What party?
mm,
Birthday?
uh, party birthday.
Okay. Whose party was it?
I was at home.
What time was it?
I was at 9 o'clock.
Who did you join the party with? Who did you join the party with?
Uh, I party with my friend.
What food and drinks were at the party?
Uh, I eat uh, pancake, uh, apple and banana and some drink.
What did you see and do at the party? What did you see and do at the party?
Uh, I see um,
Okay, how was the party? None? Okay, how did you feel after the party?
I feel excited and happy.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.